Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Drumstick Puli Kachal. Puli Kachal is a tamarind sauce. Normally we make it at home during Sadhya especially. I am adding drumstick in that and making it. For that I have taken one drumstick, 3 green chilies chopped, 1 piece ginger chopped, curry leaves, 1 red chili finely cut, that also, and 1 big lemon size tamarind soaked in water and added 1 cup of water in that. Remove the pulp. And for the tempering, mustard seeds, chana dal, hing powder, and turmeric powder. I've taken around 3 tablespoons of oil in this. Adding mustard seeds, one tablespoon of mustard seeds, sorry, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, chana dal 1 teaspoon, half teaspoon hing powder. When it is done, I am adding the red chili, curry leaves, green chili, ginger, and the drumstick. Saute this for a few minutes. Saute this for a few minutes. Adding turmeric powder, a teaspoon of salt. If required, we can add it later on. And the tamarind pulp which is extracted. Now allow this to boil. Adding a spoonful of jaggery also in this. It has come to a boil. This has come to boil. Now reduce the flame and cook it till it is reduced to some extent. The sauce should be slightly thick. Till that consistency you have to cook this. For the puli kachal, we use the tamarind which has turned into black color. I will give the link in the description box of the recipe of puli kachal. This has reduced. It will thicken when it becomes cold. Now we can switch off the gas. The drumstick Puli Inji, that is puli kachal, is ready to serve. This can be served along with curd rice, dal rice. This is part of feast in Kerala, especially Onam Sadhya. Do try this and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching the video. It's known as also Puli Inji. My channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon and all, so that you will get the notifications as soon as I upload the video. Thank you once again. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye.